The inaugural initiative of Purbo Bardhaman Hub of Learning, a seminar on gender equality. The program was organized by Bardhaman Adarsh Vidyalaya Hub School in association with Rotary Club of Bardhaman South and supported by SSM Purbo Bardhaman and DIF Schools Secondary Education Purbo Bardhaman. Our speaker was Dr. Doel Choudhury, PhD, IIT Kharagpur, postdoc, University of Davis, California. Participating schools were Bardhaman Adarsh Vidyalaya Hub School, Krishnapur High School, Spoke School, Bardhaman Nivedita Kanya High School, Spoke School, CMS Morning High School, Spoke School, Vidyasagar Uchcho Vidyalaya, Spoke School, Dubraj Dighi High School, Spoke School. Total number of students attended 102.